Hello guys, this is MinhyeokChoi3rdL2 third grade lesson 2. Let's get started. Use the standard form to write each number. So, number 1 we have 600 plus 20 plus 6. Bring all those values down, 626. There's another way to do this. So, since 4 is in the ones, we could just put here. And we move on to tens. And 80 is in the tens. So that'd be 8, and we move on to hundreds, and 3 is in the hundreds. So that'd be 384. That's an easier way to do it. We have 1 in the ones, 6 in the tens, 2 in the hundreds. Once again, we have 7 in the ones, 1 in the tens, and 9 in the hundreds. Okay, so we're gonna go from left to right this time. We have 300s. I'll show you guys how this is done. We have 300s, and we have 5 tens, and we have 9 ones. Hundreds is 2 zeros, tens is 1 0, and ones is just single digit. So it's 359 would be the answer. So 4 tens would be in the second value, and then 2 ones, since it's in the ones, that'd be over here, that'd be 42. 600s, hundreds would be over here, tens, 6 tens would be over here, 5 ones would be over here. 100, 4 tens, and 4 ones. There's 1 100, and there's 4 tens, and there's 8 ones. 245. So we have 200, which should be in the hundreds over here too. Now we have 40, which should be in the tens. We have 5, which would be in the ones. 300 in the hundreds, 10 in the tens, and we have nothing for ones, so we would just put a 0 to make everything true. 20, that's in the tens, so 2 here. Since there's no 1, we would just make that up. 800, so that it's 100 in the 100 place, and we have 60 in the tens, so that would be 6 in the 10th value, and then we have 4 in the ones, so 864. Use the expanded form to write each number. Okay, so we have 9152. This one here is the 1000th place, and this one here is the 100th place, and the 5 here is the tens, and then the 2 here is the 1. So how we would write it is we have 9000. We also have 100 in the hundreds value. We also have 5 in the tens value, and we also have 2. So that's how we would write each number in the expanded form. We have 5 in the thousandth. We have 4 in the hundreds. We have 6 in the tens, and 3 in the ones. Same for this one. 9000 plus 700 plus 10 plus 6. 6000 plus 600 plus 20 plus lastly 2. 5000 plus 100 plus 90 plus 7. So it would be 6900, and then 30 in the tens, and then 1. 2643. This one is 8860 and 3. This one's 4,800 and 10 and 3. 9,000 plus we don't have any hundreds, so we skip and go to the next one, which is 40s and 9. 3,440 and 2. 7,440 and lastly 1. Let's move on. Find the next number in each pattern. Okay, so number 1 we have 10, 20, 30, 40. 10 to 20, that's plus 10. 20 to 30, that's also plus 10. 30 to 40, that's also plus 10. So we know that the pattern is plus 10. So plus 10 on 40 would be plus 10 is 50. From 430 to 425, that's going down by 5. Also going down by 5. Also going down by 5. So if the pattern continues, that would be 415 minus 5, which is 410. 992, 9810, 982, 972, 962. So you could see that the number in the middle is decreasing by 1, is going down by 1, so that would be 952. 247, 257, 267, 277. This time the number in the middle, or the value in the tens place, is going up by 1, so that would be 287. 100, 105, 110, 115. You can see that it's going up by 5 every time, so 115 plus 5 is 120. 164, 162. It's going down by 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 to 258. That would be 256. 563, 566, 69, 72. It's going up by 3, up by 3, up by 3, up by 3 again. That's 575. 750, 755, 760, 770. That's going up by 5. Up, up, up. That's 775. From 50 to 45, that's going down by 5, going down by 5, going down by 5, and going down by 5. That would be 30. 100 to 90, that's minus 10. 90 to 80, that's minus 10. 80 to 70, that's minus 10. 70 minus 10 is 60. Word problems. Aaron checked out 7 books and saw 5 movies. Matthew checked out 8 books and 3 movies. Who checked out more items? So Aaron checked out 7 books and 5 movies. 7 plus 5, simple math, is 12. And Matthew checked out 8 and 3. 8 and 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. So 12 is bigger, obviously. So Aaron checked out more books, or more items. Harold used 43 tens and 7 ones to model a number. What other way can he have modeled the same number? So we have 43 tens. So there's 43 of this 10. If there's 3, we know that that's 30. If there's 40, then we know that that's 400. That's basically saying 400 plus 30 plus 7 ones. So other way to say it would be, we have 400 and 310 and 7 1. George used 1,500, 7 tens and 4 ones. What number did he model? So we have 1,000 in the thousandth value, 500, 5 in the hundred value, 7 in the tens value, and 4 in the that's 1,574. Group does not have any hundreds. How can you model 629 without using any hundreds? So like number 2, we could use tens and go over to the hundreds. So 629, it would be 600 instead of 600. Instead of 600, we would go to 60 tens. So that'll be 60 tens plus 9 ones. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.